Welcome to my vanity tour. This is just where I get ready every day. It's where I shoot videos for makeup tutorials. It's not all of my makeup collection. It is quite a lot of makeup, I do know that. It's not everything that I have. This is just the stuff that I really like to have at hand that I can use every day. Just a little bit of an update. I have a new used computer, so I can edit videos on my normal software and shoot it with my normal camera like usual now. So that's really great. Thank you to everyone who donated to my Patreon. You are the only reason I was able to do that. So thank you very, 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 very much. Anyway, moving on. Let's just go on and get this vanity tour started. Okay, so this is it. Very exciting. Those are Alex drawers from Ikea, the shorter ones. This is just the stool that I sit on. There's a garbage can under there, and this is just a desk with legs. It's sitting on the Alex drawer from Ikea. Yeah, so it's not very glamorous, but it does the job, and I really beat this desk up. It is not normally this clean. Okay, I cleaned it for you guys because company was coming. So don't think that I'm this clean. It's not true. I probably need to get a new one of these because there are like areas where it's sort of, you know, just been abused. Anyway, so that's my cup of water. That's not always there, but usually. Got some skincare stuff. This is sweet almond oil and some rosewater facial toner with some Q-tips and cotton balls. Forgot what that was called. And that's some sanitizing solution right there, the Beauty So Clean. That's just my planner, my journal. This is my ring light. So that's not, I really don't like this lighting setup because it's always there. It's really huge, but whatever, it's fine. It's in front of a window right now, so I do like to use, I do like to use this window light when I can, but a lot of the time I can't use it. Like right now it's late in the afternoon, so the sun is just so intense, which is why I had to close the curtain. These are my brushes. I keep them just in some glass cups because I don't know, I feel like it's the easiest way to clean it, and it just looks really clean, and I like that it looks clean because it's hard to, you know, maintain cleanliness on a makeup desk. So anything that helps. It's mostly like MAC brushes, Real Techniques brushes, some Wet n Wild brushes, like that little kabuki right there. I got that standing mirror from TJ Maxx a few years ago. This is generally what I use to style my hair. It's this old Numi straightening iron, which is okay. I mean, I got it for like 20 bucks at TJ Maxx. And then I just keep it on this hot plate, or well, it's not really, it's not a hot plate. I keep it on this, gosh, I don't know what this is, like a display stand or something I got from Target years ago. But this just keeps it from, you know, burning the surface, the desk here, like it has done several times. So in this first drawer, I have my foundations and powders, concealers, primers, stuff like that. This is Urban Decay, MAC Pro Longwear. Got some NYX in here. This is a Creolon kind of pinky highlighting dark circle pen. These are things that I like to use for eyeshadow bases. The Urban Decay one is my favorite. I have some samples of it. And then I have Studio Fix, Healthy Mix, Sheer Glow. This e.l.f. primer is really good. It has tea tree oil in it. And this is the Urban Decay one, which is nice, but it's just very expensive compared to the e.l.f. one. Powders. This is a Physicians Formula powder, which is okay. I don't really like that one, but I'm just trying to use it up. So yeah, there's that. And this is just like samples and like little stuff back here that I just don't want to get rid of. This is my Pat McGrath lipstick box, which I'll never get rid of. I should really keep it out, but I like to keep things as clutter-free as possible. Drawer number 2. I really hate how this squeaks. I need to put some WD-40 on it, I guess, but whatever. This is like eyes, eyebrows, eyeliner, and cheeks and glitter. It's a very strange combination for a drawer, but got a bunch of eyeliners in here. These are pot liners. The Inglot 77 gel liner. I've got some pencil sharpeners, and then like my mascaras and brow mascaras back here. These are powders I like to use for my eyebrows, and that's the Dip Brow from Anastasia. These are all MAC glitters and pigments. Like here's the 3D silver. These are the old kind that used to be, that they used to sell. Just really big ones. But it's so pretty. And I got these while I worked, when I was working in New York, and they had already been discontinued, but when we would go for training, we would go to the pro store, and they would have like garage sale, I think that's what they called it, garage sale, where you could just take all your old gratis and different things, and you could not sell it for you, but you would just donate it, and you could go and pick through the pile and buy it, and all the proceeds would go to, I think, the House of Ruth or an AIDS charity, basically. But yeah, those are that. And then here's some lit glitters, some chaos highlighter. Have Sugar Pills Lumi in here, some minis of these lime crime glitters. Got my Black Moon Luna. This is Stila stuff. These are some little blood drop crystals. And these are all my cheek things, which is not too much. Here's this kind of bluey violet duochrome one. Twilight tint. I think I used it in my last makeup tutorial. Some blushes that I like. This is Peaches. This is Prism from MAC. Prism, not Prison. Prism. Yeah. This is Mineralized Skin Finishes. These are like highlighters from MAC. So really old NARS blush. Oh my god, look at that packaging. Look at that. That is disgusting. But, I mean, it's that old, but it's like, I'm never going to get through it. Yeah, here's a Milani blush that I like a lot. This is the Makeup Revolution. It's just like a gold shift highlighter. Yes. Is that all in there? I think so. Yeah. Okay. Third drawer is lip stuff and eyelashes. So, got so many liquid lipsticks, I don't know what to do with myself. These are Makeup Monsters ones, NYX ones back here, Cryptic Cosmetics. You get over here. Lime Crime ones. This is a Stila one that I like a lot. These are tweezers and different lash applying things, so scissors and glue and stuff like that. There's some Kat Von D liquid lipsticks and one's solid lipstick. I mean, I guess you would just call that a lipstick, right? Anyway, have some random stuff over here. Colored Rain, a big Stila, really old Makeup Monsters. This is what their packaging used to look like. Lip liners. Those are some Urban Decay sample lipstick pots down there. And then a bunch of eyelashes. These are House of Lashes. I think these are really old Revlon ones that I don't know why I keep them. These are the Salon Perfect 615s, which are really nice. What is this? These are Kiss ones, and those are some Ardell ones that I really like. Okay, so then down here we have all of the eyeshadow palettes that I feel like I need to have on hand at all times. So, my Saint and Sinner palette, I keep it back there, kind of protected, so it's not like, you know, being touched every day. And also the Serpentina palette is back there behind it. And then that's the Metal Matte palette over here, which is more abused. This is a custom palette. It's got some Makeup Geek stuff in there. This is like the Makeup Geek Breakup Contour. I don't know. I think that, is it looking really red to you guys? Hang on, let me try to fix this. Okay, that's better. Now my hand doesn't look weird and red. Okay, I just had to fix the white balance. Sorry, guys. So yeah, this has the Makeup Geek Breakup Contour Powder in there. These are some Makeup Forever eyeshadows, Makeup Geek shadows, just a bunch of random stuff in the Z palette that I really don't use too much. I really like the Breakup Contour Powder, but I just hate the Z palette for some reason. I don't know why. So this is my Black Moon palette. These sort of move from like neutral to colorful. So got the Black Moon palette. I have the Shade and Light palette. This is the Supernatural palette from Lunatic Cosmetic Labs. I can never say that. Ooh. The Modern Renaissance palette. Have some cool MAC eyeshadows. Have some warm MAC eyeshadows. These used to be in my kit, but I took them out. I used the palettes used to be in my kit, but I switched to different palettes, so no longer are these living in my kit. What is in here? Oh, the Lime Crime Venus palette, one of my favorite palettes of all time. Love it. Love that palette. Have my Sugar Pill quads, really old Sugar Pill in the black packaging. So it's the Burning Heart, and this is the Heartbreaker. What the hell is this one? Does it say? Oh yeah, Heartbreaker. Sorry guys. There it is. And that one's more, you know, like that. And then I don't know why this is, maybe this should be, well, this is really neutral. So this is the NYX Ultimate palette, but it's over here in the colorful section, but whatever. This is the Alchemist palette. This is the Lunatic Hocus Pocus palette. I think that's what it's called. Maybe. I don't know. It's not telling me. And then the Cold Chemistry from Sugar Pill, which is, I don't even know if they sell this anymore, but pretty. They're kind of not the easiest to work with, but you know. And then here's my Melt industrial stack. Got Bulletproof and Taco, and a bunch of random Urban Decay ones. Kat Von D Thunderstruck, one of those things from Lime Crime that they discontinued. I can't remember what they called them, but it's pretty. What else? Okay, that's it. And then the last drawer is just hair stuff. So like bobby pins, and this is like a dry shampoo, heat protectant, just like, you know, super random stuff. I really don't use this definitely don't use this as much as the other 4 drawers. That was it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about organization or where I got something, please leave it in the comments below. And yeah, I hope you guys are well, and I will see you all in my next video. Do you want to see Ichabod? Yes, so